Hello my friends, good fantastic morning! Today we got a little special video for you. We have never done this before and we wanna try it. We will do pregnant belly casting. If you don't know what is this, we will just make copy of Domisha's belly, of Domisha's all front here. So we got special bandages here, cream, water, and that should be enough. Alright, so now Domisha, take your clothes off. All of that. Sorry guys, it's not for you. T-shirt, and bra. We are ready to go. Alright my friends, as you can see I already started because we had to do first this boobies. So this is finished and now I will tell you how we will do it. I have to do the belly right now. We are using this POP bandage. Why POP? Sadra in Czech.
Casting rolls.
Casting rolls. Just look for casting rolls and you will find it. First you have to put cream on your skin. I will put this gloves on my hands and I will just start cutting the pieces. I have to put it in the water with room temperature. I will put it there for 2 seconds and then I just put it on Domisha's body. That's it, it's very easy, so let's do it. Let's start. I will cut the bandage, put it in water for 2 seconds. 1, 2, and just put it here. Very easy.
No.
This is finished. Now we gotta wait. Domisha gotta wait. So bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And sit. Right my friends, now we gotta wait a little bit. And we will see. This is it. And Domisha is very clean. You can see it's a clean work. Nice jeans, nice shorts, Domisha. I don't think so that you will use them again. So how was it?
Nice.
Nice? Like a massage?
Like a massage.
Let's do that. My friend. Holy. Oh my god, it's working. It's working! Right my friends, Domisha is taking a shower. Meanwhile, I will show you how it looks after. Look at that mess here. It's messy everywhere. There is the water. Messy. So it's very nice thing to do. It's a very nice thing, but very messy. And it looks like... Domisha, show it! It's beautiful! Look at that.
I have different boobs.
Different boobs?
Or everything is so...
Look at that. And show me profile. It's a big belly. It's not so small. It looks small, but it's a big... Oh man. We should paint it or something. Do it with this. Good? I like it. Move it.
You have boobs now.
Yeah. We should do something with this. What should we do, my friends, with that? So my friends, thank you so much for watching. It was a special video today. We wanted to have some fun, but I think it's great result. So thank you so much for watching. Be happy my friends, and we will see you tomorrow.
Choo!